Good day, everyone. I'm Alma Divina Gracia, a third-year marketing student at Union College of Laguna. And today, I will be presenting my research report on hazard analysis and critical control points, or the HACCP, and the ISO 22000. The two critical frameworks used in food manufacturing industries to ensure safety and quality from production up to consumption. Food safety is a key concern in modern manufacturing. This report focuses on two globally recognized systems, which are the HACCP, or the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, and the ISO 22000. How they help food manufacturers prevent hazards and maintain high standards across their operations. First, let's talk about what is the HACCP, its features, and its principles. HACCP is a preventative food safety system designed to identify and control hazards during food production. Its key features are the systemic prevention of hazards, focus on control points in production, and the mandatory in many regulatory frameworks. Now, let's move forward to its 7 principles and how they work. Number 1 is the hazard analysis, which identify potential biological, chemical, and physical hazards. Number 2 is the critical control points, or the CCPs, which determine where hazards can be controlled. Number 3 is the critical limits. It sets safety thresholds. An example given of this is the temperature. Number 4 is the monitoring procedures. Regular checks to ensure CCPs are within limits. Number 5 is the corrective actions. It is steps to fix deviations. Number 6 is the verification. It confirmed the system is working. Number 7, documentation. It maintains records for audits and traceability. Well, how does HACCP apply in manufacturing? HACCP is used in dairy, meat, bakery, and beverage industries. It ensures safety from raw material handling to final packaging. It reduces risk of contamination and product recalls. This system is widely implemented because it ensures risks are managed before they become a threat. Now, let's talk about the ISO 22000. ISO 22000 is an international food safety management standard that builds on HACCP and integrates it into a broader organizational system. ISO 22000 promotes communications across all stakeholders, continuous risk assessment, and documentation and system reviews. Moving forward, ISO 22000 key components includes: Number 1, prerequisite programs, or the PRPs, which is the basic hygiene, sanitation, and pest control. Number 2 is the operational PRPs, which is the specific controls for identified hazards. Number 3 is the HACCP integration. It embeds HACCP into a structured system. Number 4 is the PDCA cycle, or the Plan, Do, Check, Act for continuous improvement. Also, the risk-based thinking, which is the proactive hazard prevention. Well, compared to HACCP, ISO 22000 offers a more holistic framework that can be certified for international trade. Now, let's discuss further the differences between the ISO 22000 and the HACCP in terms of their features. When it comes to scope, HACCP focuses strictly on identifying, evaluating, and controlling food safety hazards, while the ISO 22000 is broader. It includes food safety, plus organizational context and stakeholder needs. When it comes to basis, HACCP Codex Alimentarius, internationally recognized principles for food hygiene, while the ISO 22000 has their ISO management framework, which aligns with other ISO systems like ISO 9001. When it comes to certification, HACCP often voluntary, used mainly internally, while the ISO 22000 is a third-party certification. It is common and recognized globally. When it comes to integration, HACCP operates as a standalone method, while the ISO 22000 is easily integrated with other standards. For example, environmental or quality system. Well, how does these things apply in real world? In manufacturing industries, these systems are used to analyze risk in raw materials, processing, and packaging. It trains staff in monitoring and hygiene practices. It ensures global compliance and customer trust. For example, in a beverage plant, HACCP identifies steps like pasteurization as critical, while ISO 22000 ensures these are continuously monitored and improved through proper documentation and staff training. Now, what does we gain when implementing these things? Well, we have customer trust. It is a certification signals commitment to safety. The operational efficiency. It streamlined processes and reduced waste. And if we meet the international food safety standards, we will be recognized globally. Also, the employee awareness, which boosts food safety culture within organizations. And to sum it up, HACCP and ISO 22000 are essential for protecting consumers and improving production standards. Their implementation in food manufacturing leads to better safety, reduced risk, and improved brand credibility. Thank you for your time and attention. Once again, I am Alma Divina Gracia from Union College of Laguna.